My name is Lars Nielsen. I'm the factory manager, COO here at Fischer Gears. Fischer Gears is a third generation gear manufacturer placed here in Randers, Denmark. We are an old company with a lot of different customers, but all of them are international players. Rolls-Royce, MAN for ship engines to mining. What we want now with these robots is also to be able to produce high precision gears in bigger volume. Smaller parts can be handled by robots. They can take the part, put the part in the machine and close the doors and take the part out and put it on the pallet. We chose OMRON because the vision part was included in the robots. The robots are very flexible due to the landmark. When moved to the machine from another machine, when they look at the landmark, they almost know where it is. Then you only have to choose the program that you want to run. And also the safety of the scanner that could be put on the robots. They're easier to have in an open factory environment, not to hit anyone or not hurting anyone. The industry needs robots to expand, also to be compatible price-wise, also for the employees not to do the same movement all day long and get worn down. Of course, there's a cost benefit that we can produce also when the employees are going home and the factory are closed. The robots can still produce. We had Nord Electro as our service partner who's doing all the implementing of the robots. So we thought that OMRON was the best robot for us.